Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of the 23rd to the 29th. OMG, we got some terrific deals. And we're going to touch on the clearance toilet paper as well. Many of you had questions, so we're going to take a second and talk about it. Remember, the top booster starts on the 26th, which is Wednesday. We currently have another booster that's working right now, and the bottom one, the 15 back when you spend 45, is online only. So we will look at a deal at the very end, specifically with a $25 basket with this. Alternatively, if you wait till Wednesday and do a $35 basket, you're going to get 14 back. You decide what you'd like to do. I would wait till Wednesday to get the maximum amount of savings. Now, guys, this is the week of Thanksgiving, and Walgreens actually is doing a Black Friday ad for us, which they have not done something this big in a really long time. And for a lot of you that are like, this is garbage, your opinion, but I think there's a lot of merit and promise to this, and we will be looking at this video at the very end. I will link it if you want to check it out. And don't forget, most stores will be closed on Thanksgiving Day. If you live in a really big city like Chicago, for example, or I'm just using Chicago, Los Angeles, a couple of the pharmacies will remain open, but for the majority in small towns, they're giving the employees the day off. So it will be closed on Thanksgiving, but I'll make a reminder video the day of Thanksgiving so you guys don't end up at the store. You could put in as many curbside deals as you want, but they will not get fulfilled until Friday the 28th. With all of the savings and magic, the Coupon Cat would like a big thumbs up if you guys could do that. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it for this video. There are so many deals that are stacking up this week. I don't know, it's like a Thanksgiving miracle. Okay, now we're going to discuss this again because a lot of you had questions for my Friday video. Essentially, a lot of shoppers in southern Michigan, we're talking Kalamazoo, Detroit, those areas. These 4 counts of the Ultra Soft or Ultra Strong, 90% off, 40 cents per pack. Obviously, when it was gone to 40 cents, a lot of couponers would clear the store or employees would clear it. But if there's a new truck day or a new shipment, you might run into luck. So I would obviously moonwalk down that aisle for the next couple of weeks. Is it going to drop in your store? Do not go by the app and don't go into the store and scan it with the app. You actually have to go to a cashier with the bag of toilet paper and say, can I get a price check? Because the app won't do you any justice. If your store is showing at $1.99 right now, it's at 50% off, so it might go 75 and then 90. So you're going to have to babysit this. Tuesdays or Saturdays is when you're going to see the drops if it happens. And again, you have to physically go in store for this. You can't do it through the app and then expect for things to work out. And it has to be these 2 bags of the toilet paper. So if you're grabbing everything and anything and then coming back to me and saying, well, nothing's 90%, it's because you're grabbing the wrong toilet paper. So you really have to pay attention. And if there is a truck day and nothing's tagged, even though you missed the first wave of this, you might hit it later in November or maybe December. And that's happened to me a couple times with the Walgreens brand paper whenever it's gone on clearance. So I wish you guys good luck with that. If you are in Michigan, it's hit a couple of stores. I had no luck with it. I think the employees cleared the store. I have no definitive proof, but it is what it is. If there was 3 left, they took all 3. Who cares? I've scored paper big before, but because I know what it is, now I know what to look for. Grab one of these, ask the cashier for a price check, boom, 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 that easy. Okay, so the next deal we're talking about is the Hershey's Kisses, or alternatively the Reese peanut butter trees. It is on a buy one, get one free promotion, so it's a lot of their candy in the Hershey line, and it's priced at $6.99, buy one, get one for free. IBOTTA has a rebate of $3 back for 2. You can do this of a limit of up to 5 times, so you're going to get some money back. But the time ticker of death is there. So this is going to go very quickly, so do this deal. Check IBOTTA. You really have to pay attention. But grabbing 2 of these for $6.99, pay that or use some Walgreens cash or register rewards. Photograph your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $3.99 for 2 or $1.99 per bag. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this. But I would certainly double, triple check your IBOTTA if you want the cheap candy. probably less than 24 hours to make this deal happen. And I know a lot of you are into baking, and some of these candies are essential for some of your Christmas cookies. Stock up. Arm & Hammer laundry care products are buy one, get one free for the power packs, the scent boosters, and the liquid, depending what you like. Now, this is where it gets interesting. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. This guy, you're going to load it, and this is just a very straightforward ham sandwich, basic kind of a deal. That's innovative, isn't it? 2 of these for $4.99. Subtracting that $1 off 2, you're paying $3.99 for 2 or $1.99 per. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but $2 for something that's almost $8. Go and make it happen, guys. It's a very good stock up price, and I would definitely, especially if you do Christmas hampers, it's a very good deal. I have to get some. I know a lot of you are hosting for Thanksgiving, so you're probably going to need some of these beverages, which is soda, unless you go the avenue of like iced tea and just plain water. But with the Pepsi, this is the best deal this week. We have a digital coupon that's attaching, and even though it might say expired, I don't know why a lot of coupons are saying expired today. Some sort of problem with the app, but are you surprised? Nope. 3 of these is $13.99. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $12.99 for 3 or $4.33 per. No booster. It's okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but not a bad little deal for this. And I would definitely stock up, especially if you have a big crowd coming to your house. Another superb deal this week is with the Dove shampoo. They are $5 a unit, and buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. And we have this digital coupon, so load it. I know a lot of you really love the Dove line, so I would definitely make this deal happen. Again, I have no tags in the store this morning because I went so early. So grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. No booster. It's okay to use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward for some cheap shampoo. This next deal with the Burt's Bees lip balm, if you're trying to do some Christmas stockings on the cheap and you want to throw this into everybody's stocking, I think it's just a great item to throw in. Do this one curbside because it's a little bit easier, and you're going to see what I'm saying here in a second. Putting 4 of these lip balms into a basket, it's exactly $13. You can go with original too, but I went with pomegranate. I don't know. I'm a fancy lady. You can use the code WAG10 for this. So just typing it in, you're saving $1.30. So if you're doing this in store without these little promo codes, I mean, saving that $1.30 is a little something, I think. The overall total is $13, $1.30 coming off with WAG 10. You have some tax, $12.40. If you wish to use $10 of Walgreens cash, go for it. And then for every set of 2 you're buying, you're getting $2 back. So you're going to get 4 for the 2 sets, which is like superb. Process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. Photograph it to fetch rewards for $2.50 back for every 10 that you spend. So it basically shakes out each lip balm to like $1.30-ish per, which is really a great price point. Another in-store deal, the rest of the deal is completely in-store. It's with the Crest mouth rinse, and I do need to stock up on this. The promotion for this is that when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. And we have this 4 off 2 digital coupon. And then this is the promotion. And apologies again, guys, I don't have every sticker. It's just the crew that was in this morning, they didn't post them yet. Grabbing 2 of these rinses, it's $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. No booster. It's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward, but not a bad little deal. Another deal that's really great this week are on these safeguards. And look at the amount of hand soap you're getting. They call it hand wash. I'm not complaining about this because it's a huge amount. The promotion for this week is that when you buy 2, you're getting back a $2 register reward. It's buy one, get one 50% off with a $1 off 2 digital coupon. For those of you that are like, what does a coupon look like? There it is, $1 off 2. If you head over to IBOTTA, this IBOTTA is still in my gallery, which is $1 back when you buy 2 of these. So It's a little something. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $8.23. Subtracting that digital coupon, pay $7.23. Get back a $2 register reward, a buck back from IBOTTA, making it $4.23 for the 2 or $2.11 per hand soap. No booster. It's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but go and make this deal happen. This is the last week for this deal with the Hello toothpaste at $5, a $5 reward when you buy 2. And this is the digital coupon that is attaching. It's a 3 off 2. This is a non-fluoride toothpaste, so if this is part of your regimen, this is a very good deal. High quality toothpaste as well. 2 of these for $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. No booster. It's okay to use Walgreens cash. Use it to earn that $5 register reward. And don't forget to always ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine printing the register rewards out? Or listen for it, or watch the other customers, just to ensure that you're not standing there and like you get nothing. It's just a little habit that you should get into. Just always be super friendly with the cashiers, but say, hey, is that machine working today? And they'll say, absolutely. Or they could say, hey, we got to do this in photo. They'll have an idea. Their super deal this week is on the buy one get one 50% off on the Gillette and Venus razors. So you're going to get a more expensive one and a less expensive one. Mach 3 for the men's is the cheaper one, and we have $3 digitals attaching to both. Remember how I said at the front end of the video that a lot of coupons say that they're expired? These coupons actually expire, I think, in December, so I don't know why everything's saying expired in the app other than it is Walgreens. But grabbing 2 of these razors, it's going to be $16.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're paying $10.98, getting back a $6 register reward for buying 2, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit. No booster. It's okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, but these are fancier razors, wonderful, beautiful stocking stuffers for Christmas. I always like to gift this around the holidays. Now, we also have this that's back, the 4 for $10. It makes each product $2.50 if you need to stock up on the Bounce Dryer Sheet or the Tide Simply or the Unstoppables. Smaller amount of product, but a great price point. If you're building your stockpile, this is stuff I would pick up for $10. We have the buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home small or medium trash bags. It usually shakes it out to $1.66 per unit. Go and get yours, especially if you like the smaller trash bags. There's also this deal that's back, the buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand freezer bags. So you'll pay $2.79 for the first and get 2 for free, making it 93 cents per box of 20, which is a total stock up price. Final deal we're looking at is utilizing the 7 back when you spend $25. Alternatively, if you want to wait till Wednesday and do a $35 basket, the 2 will stack as long as you don't buy Black Friday merchandise. Grabbing 2 of the Dove shampoos for $10, 2 of the Venus razors for $16.98. Your total is at $26.98. You have $4 for the Dove, a $3 for the Venus, a $3 for the Gillette. That's $10 of digitals melting off. You also have that e-booster loaded. Hopefully you got the same one as I. Only one of my store cards got it too. Not everybody got that one. With your debit card, you're going to pay the $16.98 plus tax. Get back $10 in register rewards, 4 for the Dove and 6 for the Venus. That's $10 plus $7 in Walgreens cash for that booster, making this completely free. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend $25 to earn back $7 booster. And you have the option, if you got 2 boosters, to wait till Thursday and then get a $35 basket to make that work. Or you can do this little quick one today. If you want to check out the Black Friday deals, linked right here over at Walgreens. I think it's really going to start getting crazy on Wednesday the 26th, and I am here for it. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.